If we want a perfect finish for our deck, we can use the CDECK finishing pieces. We have two options: fastener boards, available in two sizes, and end caps, specific to hollow boards. Let's walk through how to install each option, step by step. The fasteners can be applied either parallel or perpendicular to the deck boards. For parallel application, meaning along the board, we apply a suitable adhesive for wood and PVC generously along the entire length of the board, ensuring that the entire surface is covered with glue. Then, we align the fasteners with the boards along their length, making sure their ends line up, and press them firmly into place. Now let's see how to install the fasteners perpendicularly on both hollow and solid boards. If the board is hollow, we insert a fastener holder into one of the board's cavities to create a fixing point for the screws. Then, we mark the points where we'll drill the fastener. The first hole should be no more than 60 mm from the end of the fastener. The remaining holes should be spaced no more than 145 mm apart. All holes should be drilled 15 mm from the top edge of the fastener to align with the center of the fastener holders. To make it easier, we can place the fastener over the fastener holders and mark the fixing points directly. Using a 4 mm drill bit, we drill the fastener. If using the wider fastener board, we cut off one of the clipping tabs with a wood cutting disc to ensure the fastener fits flush against the deck. Then, we fix the fastener with one screw per board. We apply suitable glue for wood and PVC onto the fastener holders and insert them into the board cavities. If the board is solid, the process is simpler. Drill the fastener using a 4 mm drill bit and fix it directly to the boards using one screw per board. Now that we've seen how to install the fasteners, let's look at how to install the end caps for hollow boards. Although they are finishing accessories, CDECK end caps must be installed before the boards, because we need to drill 4 holes in the underside of each board. These holes ensure proper drainage and ventilation, preventing water and moisture from accumulating inside the board. In the CDECK technical data sheet, you'll find a diagram with the exact positioning of each hole. To drill the boards, we use a 10 mm drill bit. After drilling, we align the end cap with the board and insert it into the cavities. If we want to apply a parallel fastener along with the end cap, we must ensure a 20 mm gap in the clipping tab of the fastener so that the cap can be properly fitted to the board. For more information, recommendations or technical details, always consult the CDECK technical data sheet or contact IHT.